What attracted me to pediatric nursing is the ability to work with children. I absolutely love being able to make them happier, no matter what their circumstances are. What I like best about pediatric nursing is not just working with the children, but also working with their families. To me, that's the most inspiring part of being able to do what I do. Not just teaching the children, but teaching the families how to care for them. When you work with children, there's always something that will not go according to what you expect. Being able to navigate that, being able to think clearly, and to have a plan. Me and my colleagues, we support each other by being there for each other, listening, trying to anticipate what the other nurse might need, because many times as a nurse, you may not realize that you need a little help. I'm proud to be an RWJ pediatric nurse because this hospital has given me many opportunities to expand on my nursing career, my nursing education. It's given me opportunities in leadership. It has helped me to become who I am, not just as a nurse, but also as a human being.